A major North American steel manufacturer serves clients in many industries around the world. Any gaps or inefficiencies in its supply chain or finance function could potentially trigger a domino effect. The company asked Capgemini to help accelerate these processes without disrupting the current workflow. Capgemini deployed ADMnext to deliver a comprehensive transformation that upgraded the system for fulfilling orders and managing inventory. This substantially enhanced the user experience across multiple functions and automated various processes for productivity, efficiency, and reliability, simplifying the process for tracking expense payments, creating freight rates, saved a combined 40 work hours monthly, and streamlining period-end procedures, which shortened month-end closing from 4 to 2 days. Capgemini established a dedicated infrastructure for monitoring the system's health and taking proactive steps to reduce resource conflicts and avoid outages. The steel manufacturer and Capgemini are currently working on bringing this level of operational efficiency to additional business functions. You can learn more about ADMnext at capgemini.com.